How much of your life is governed by decisions that are made wholly or partly by autonomous systems? Some of the decisions you're served up may seem fairly inconsequential, whilst others may be life-changing. As autonomous systems become increasingly part of our lives in both the online and the offline world, how can we be sure that they benefit society and that we can trust them? Innovators from the autonomous systems community are tackling these very questions within a major UKRI cross-disciplinary fundamental research programme. Part of their mission is to look at how to create specifications for autonomous systems to ensure they are trustworthy. They then examine how these factors play out in real-world models, such as autonomous vehicles. A human driver learns rules like, do not pull out into traffic so as to cause another driver to slow down. But how can a machine interpret these language-based rules when there are no clear specifications, and there's no way of knowing how other drivers may react? Similar problems arise for UAV delivery systems when they face adverse conditions. Recent advances in machine learning allow them to perform novel landing procedures. But who or what governs the specifications that go beyond the limits of the drone's training? The more uncertain and dynamic the operational environment, the more unpredictable the ways people behave, and the more complex and unreliable the feedback loops between human and machine actors become. Scenarios like a disaster relief operation represent serious intellectual challenges as to what values and rules should be fundamental to the specification of autonomous systems. To find out more about the intellectual challenges of specifying for trustworthiness and the work our researchers have done to frame them, take a look at our communications of the ACM research article and visit our website to contact us about collaboration.